Hey everyone, it's Chad the Bag here from the Brown Bag Portfolio. Today we're going to walk through exactly how to build your first emergency fund in 2026. An emergency fund is money set aside specifically for life's unexpected events, like car repairs, medical bills, or sudden job loss. It gives you peace of mind and stops you from going into debt when unexpected things happen. Most experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months of your essential living expenses in your emergency fund. If 3 to 6 months feels overwhelming at first, start with a smaller goal like $1,000. That's a fantastic first win. First, calculate your monthly essentials, things like rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, and insurance. Multiply your monthly essentials by 3 or 6 to get your target emergency fund amount. Keep your emergency fund in a separate, high-yield savings account so it's easy to access but not mixed with your everyday spending. High-yield savings accounts pay much higher interest than regular banks, sometimes 4 or 5 times more, while keeping your money safe and FDIC insured. Step 1. Open a dedicated, high-yield savings account, if you don't have one already. Step 2. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account every payday so the money moves without you thinking about it. Step 3. Start small. Even $50 or $100 per paycheck will add up faster than you think. Step 4. Increase the amount whenever you get a raise or cut unnecessary spending. Step 5. Treat your emergency fund like a non-negotiable bill. You pay to yourself first. Only use your emergency fund for true emergencies, not vacations, new gadgets, or regular expenses. This keeps it there when you really need it. Common mistake number 1. Keeping your emergency fund mixed in with your regular checking account. Common mistake number 2. Not having a separate emergency fund account at all. Common mistake number 3. Spending the emergency fund and never rebuilding it. Review your emergency fund every 6 months and adjust the amount as your life and expenses change. Aim to fully fund your emergency fund within 12 to 18 months if you're starting from zero. Once your emergency fund is full, you can redirect that automatic transfer into your long-term investments. Your emergency fund is your financial safety net. It protects everything else you've built. Start today. Even a small amount is better than nothing. Every little bit gets you closer to financial security. You've got this! Building your emergency fund is one of the smartest money moves you can make for a secure future. Thanks for watching! Like and subscribe for more simple money tips. Drop your emergency fund goal in the comments below. See you in the next one! This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not indicative of future results.